Hello, friends. Guess what? We're gonna feed the farm animals. All right. So listen. Let's sing our song first, and then we'll feed our animals. All right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here, moo, there, moo, everywhere, moo, moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here, cluck, there, cluck, everywhere, cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a bye-bye here and a bye-bye there. Here, bye, there, bye, everywhere, bye-bye. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a net in here and a net there. Here, net, there, net, everywhere, net. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Hey, sit on your bottom. So, we're going to feed our animals, okay? And all that we have here is some seeds, and we have a shovel. Malcolm, would you like to feed the animal? What animal are you going to feed first?
It is horse.
You're going to feed the horse?
Yeah.
So I want you to scoop up the food, and I want you to place it in the horse's mouth, okay? Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
All right, go ahead. Good job. So here's what he's doing. He's using those fine motor skills. Don't feed the horse all the food, friend. Sorry. He's feeding the horse. We're gonna feed each one of the animals, okay? Yeah. So he's using those fine motor skills to scoop up the food and plate, and using to place the food inside of the animal's mouth. All this is some empty cans and some seeds chopped up and stuff. So it's just like it's just a scoop and play. And they can hear the noise that, the seeds hitting the can. Yeah. Good job. Did you feed all of the animals? No, we're not lifting. You can't go in the horse's mouth, friend.
The cow.
What animal is this?
Horse.
A horse. What animal is this?
Sheep.
A sheep. What animal is this?
Chicken.
Good job. And what animal is this?
Moo.
A moo. Is it what's his name though? That's the sound that it makes, but what's the animal's name?
Hello.
It's cow. Cow. So what sound does a cow make?
Moo.
What sound does a chicken make? What sound does a sheep make? Baa, baa. And what sound does a horse make? Baa. Good job. All right. So Malcolm has fed all the animals, and I hope you guys enjoy this, and I hope I talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.